If you're looking for perfectly manicured topiary trees that require zero maintenance, then our range of artificial topiary is made just for you. Artificial topiary trees and plants are the ideal way to add classic and timeless look to the interior or exterior of your home or business. Designed and handmade by our team of trained horticulturists here at Artificial Eden, our collection of artificial topiary is made to look just like the real thing, but without the ongoing maintenance. Faux topiary requires no pruning or watering, and best of all, it's 100% disease and pest resistant, so there's no need to worry about your tree dying. And our entire collection of artificial topiary is ideal for outdoor use and is UV resistant to prevent colour fade, leaving your topiary looking perfectly green and healthy all year round. Whether you're looking to dress up your driveway, frame your front door, or add a splash of green to your outdoor space, our collection of faux topiary is stylish and elegant. From cones and swirls to topiary balls and box hedges, you certainly aren't short on choice. And shopping with Artificial Eden couldn't be easier. We provide an easy-to-use website, fast delivery and a friendly customer support service that's here to help. And when shopping with Artificial Eden, you'll be giving back to our planet too, as we plant one real tree and donate towards projects that reduce CO2 on each and every order. Browse our artificial topiary collection and order online now for fast delivery straight to your door.